Welcome to IT Boost YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to make dynamic web pages. Here, I am going to add PHP MySQL codes to my HTML CSS pages using MySQL database to make dynamic web pages. Right, first I have emailed this zip file called online shopping before. So check that one and copy that one. If you didn't get this online shopping before zip file, email me so I can send it to you. So copy that file and go to your C WAMP folder www and paste that one and extract that one. Open that one and extract that file. So when you extract, you will get online shopping before folder, right? So after that, get the tutorial which I have emailed, right? Here also, if you didn't have this tutorial, email me to get this tutorial, right? So first of all, we have to create a database in the MySQL database. So to do that one, I will go here and I will type localhost and I will click PHP myadmin 5.1.1 version, and in my case, in default, the username is root and the password is blank. If you have username password, you can give it, or you can give the default one, and we will create a database. So go to the SQL query. So type create database, create database online underscore shop. With the database I am going to create. Click go. So the database has been created here, online shop. Select that one, that is important. Select that one. After that, we have to create the table here, the create products table. So I will show the website, so you can go here. I will say localhost. We will load the pages which we have extracted. Localhost online shopping before. So we will load that one. Here we have that one. So this is the page. It's only include HTML and CSS mostly. So for this HTML CSS template, I am going to add PHP code to make this one dynamic, right? So here mainly we need products and categories. We have some products, right? We have some categories, right? So we have to create those two tables. So that's why I'm going to create this product table. We have product table, product ID, product brand, product title, price, description, product image, product keywords. And these are the datas I'm going to insert into the products, right? So here the product ID number, product category number, product brand number, and the product title. So after it, product price, product description, the image of the product. I will explain those everything, right? So all the product images are inside the folder, inside the img folder here, what I have used, right? So we have to create this table. So what I do, you also can copy and paste this one. So I will create this one. I will go to SQL I'll create the table and click go. Right, the products table has been created. Again, I will insert the data, these data to the products table. So there are a lot of, I think around 81 products. Right. So again, I will go to SQL query and I will insert the data. This one no needed. Click go. Is there any error? We'll see. Click go. Yeah, 71 records are there. It's inserted. So we have some here. Right. Now we will create the other table called categories. Create table categories. Category ID, category title. Category ID is the primary key. All together we will add the records also. Right. So the categories are electronics, ladies wear, men's wear, kids wear, furnitures, home applications, electronic gadgets. So I will go to SQL and I will click go. Right, so we have created a table called online shop and we have a products table and we have created the categories table. Right. Now we will add the other stuff. Right. First of all, we have to make our connection PHP page. So we are going to connect our page, the HTML page. Right. So all the HTML pages extensions are here. PHP, I have made the index.php. Right. So before that we have to make this thing. So I will use the Dreamweaver, the connection page. I will open my Dreamweaver and I will click File New and I will select PHP and I will click Create. Right. And I will delete the existing code and I will add this connection line. Right, the localhost, in my server name localhost, username root, password is blank. Right, the database is online shopping, in my case. Right. So if you have different username password, you can give. If you created a different database, you have to give that name. So I will save this one in the same folder in my www and online shop before, and I will name it db.php. Save it as db.php for the connection. Now the index page. So the index page also I have already made this one. Here you have the index page. I will open that one with the Dreamweaver. So this is the index page, already it's existing. So in the index page there is no much code, right? So I have included 4 pages. One is the header.php, body.php, newsletter.php, footer.php. So in the header, we will open the header.php using the Dreamweaver. I will open that, right? So you can. Here we have only HTML and CSS codes, right? So here in my tutorial, I have given the code, the whole code of the header PHP and the additional code which is highlighted in red color to make it, right? So I had to add this one session, this PHP code. This code is for the purpose for later, because we are going to use session variables for our login purposes. So that is going to be in the next part. So Here I'm going to add this one initially, but later only we are going to use that one for the session, for the login and this thing. So go to your header.php, which I have sent, and paste this session in the head part here. Right. Next we see these are the existing codes. Right. So we have to add this code, right? See this in, right? INR. So here see, here this is the INR. Next to that, here the login and the register, these links are already there, right? Right. So here login and register, right? So why I am going to add this? If the user is logged in, you have to say log out and account. Otherwise, else only it have to show like this. If the user is logged in, this should be changed to logged out, and this register should be changed to account. So that's why I am going to add this code, additional code here, the PHP, the connection including the DB PHP, which we have already created the connection page. Here we are using the session, right? That's why I created on the top the session start on the top of the page, right? Here the session start, right? To maintain the session variable, if is set session UID, right? If the UID session is set, this also we have to create. I'm not going to do now, right? Select first name from user where, so we have user info, we have to create that table also. Not in this part I'm going to do that one, but I'm going to show this one. I have to make it out, right? If fetching the details of the user ID, if the user ID is existing, the drop down menu here, the drop down should be shown with the name, hi, first name, hi, the name of the user. Here it should be shown, the register should be known, hi, the name of the user, right? And next to that, it has to show my profile, my account or my profile, and after that it has to show logout. So this one we are not going to do completely, but we are going to add this one in the header.php, right? So else, up to here the else, up to here the PHP, right? The red colors are in PHP. Else we are going to echo the HTML and CSS through the PHP here. These are the existing here. Model, it should be my account, right? Or login and register, like this. Okay. Else, and here after echoing, you are finishing that echo part, closing the else and closing the PHP. So we have to add this code carefully. Add this after this line. So here, I will copy this code. It's after this INR li, and there is a li. So we have to find out that point correctly. Yeah, INR li. After this li, I'm going to add this PHP code, and here you are echoing all the steps. This one, right? Else, here it's there. Else, here this one, it's already existing. You have to find out and you have to correctly paste it, right? And after the else, here we have that one. You have to close this one. All together also you can, yeah, after the else, this is there. You have to add this finishing part after two divs. above a li, like that you can remember. Yeah, after the div and above the li, you have to place it in the correct place. Yeah, and here is the else one. So do it carefully, right? Here is one. Go. Right, and closing the else and finishing the PHP. We will save this one and we will check if there are any errors. Right, and click refresh. Yeah, there is error here. My account is coming. Warning, include db.php failed. Oh, such a file directory. Right, I think I saved that one. db. I saved this one. File save as. I have to save inside this folder. I saved in a wrong location. Click no. Right, now that error will be go. Right, now here. So later only we can check if it is logged in. At the moment we add that code. Now we will go to the next part. Right, this is very important. Calling the function home action.php. So we have to make a page home action.php. According to the category, I am going to put a menu after this search. After this search, I am going to make a menu bar according to it should fish electronics, menswear, like that. So here below I have given a code for the home action.php. So this is the home action.php. So if I want, I will explain that one. Here also we need a session start, variable, database, including the database. If is set post category home, right? This is the post category home. See this name. Select all from categories where category ID not equal to 1. Where the category ID not equal to 1. Right? So it's going to select all others excepting the electronics. Right? Excepting the electronics. Right? And querying that one. And here we have using a div and UL. First should be the home, right? After that it should be the electronics. After that we are using number of while loops and we are using a count function for our product category ID and echoing the links here, the loop. So the category name. So it's going to first show home and after that it's going to show ladies wear, menswear, kids wear, furniture, home, application and electronic gadgets, right? So I will copy this code and I will create a new PHP file and I will delete the existing code and I will paste that one. And I will save this one file, save as in the online shop before, and the file name should be home action, homeaction.php, all are small. So home action.php, home action.php, save. Right, that's all. Now here see in our header PHP, in the header here we are calling the ID. There is a ID, right? Here in my case, here I have highlighted in the green here. Div class container ID get category home. Inside that one, this ID is important. category home. Get ID, get category home. That is important. Here category home. In our home action, here we have the name for that one. Here select home, div class category home. Right. So we are calling that particular category home. Right. So we will go to header.php and this is the line. Right. Nothing to do there. Save all and we will check the page. Now see there is no menu. We will see after refreshing if that menu is coming here. Home, electronics, ladies wear, men's wear. Right. All are came. Simply it's came. Right. Right. So that is the right advantages according to the database. It's giving the menu, right, with few lines, right. And this is the one, right, we did now the home action to get the navigation menus according to the database. Here like electronics, ladies wear. Right. Now one more thing we have to do. We have to include this one right. So when the user clicks here, I'm login, it have to pop up a login page, right? So we have to add this code in the header.php. So I'll copy this one. It's after the model's body. So here we have to add that one, login.php. Right, login form.php. So I had to make that page also. So I am going to make that page simply at the moment, not the whole page. So later we will modify that one. I will click new, PHP create. At the moment inside the body I will say login page. Right, just if I want I put that one in a big size H1. Right, later we will so I will save this one, save as. The file name should be login form.php, login underscore form.php and click save. Click save all, everything. Now go to here the page and refresh and here click the login. Here you get that one. Later we will make the login page just to get that one, to pop that one, make that one. Same like the register.php. I will copy that one. Register form.php. I will go to my header. Yeah, modifying still in the header. Yeah. I will paste it here. And I will make a new page. PHP. Inside the body I will say H1. Inside that I will say register page. And I'll save that one, save as. The file name should be register form.php. And click save. And click save all. And I will run the refresh the page and here click register, it's pop-ups. Right, this one also we will make the page just to pop up that one. I made that one. Try this one, try this one, try all this. Right, so what we did, we created a page. Right, we made the connection, we made the login and this according to the login we had this one, and we created the menus according to the database. Right. So in the next part we will do this, how to populate the top selling products and the new products as in the database in the products page.